Nice day today. I'm going to work on my mess. Off and on. And try to fix it up. I'm going to take a lot of that off. So it's going to look more messy. And then better for a while. But I'm going to get all that off and start new. I got my rat hunter up here. She's going to help me out. She's sniffing, checking things out. Hey, what are you doing? Are you going to be a rat hunter or are you looking for Belle? So I'll get all my pots out and sort them and put them in their own stack and see what I get from there. So Belle is looking on this side. She wants over here. Well, you can get over there later. What? You went up there too? This lady that used to work at Lowe's, she was so helpful. They'd have old pots they was going to throw away and she'd let me have them. I was potless at one time. And so she was letting me have them. Because she said they just throw them away anyway. She was real good about it. So I got all my trays and pots and everything I could. And now I got plenty of them. Yeah. Belle wants over on the other side. But I got to straighten this side up first. Sometime I'll let her over there. Yeah. I know, but you can't go there right now. But there's a rat over there. She thinks there is. Okay. I don't know what she's going to do. It's just so full of stuff. I'll have to take it down. There's her backup. Look at this tray. A rat ate that plastic. Well, she jumped down. She's looking. Let me jump up right here. Went right up there. You went up there? Well, so far, haven't seen no rats. I'm getting ready to dump that one over. Get it out of there. Well, they didn't find nothing. I need to help Peanut. He wants to look. He wants to look. Well, they're looking, and we didn't find no rats. Well, that's okay with me. Eventually, Bill wants to put a planter behind the greenhouse and on the side of the greenhouse. And that'd be nice. I would like that. It won't be long before he starts the windows on this back side. What's the matter? You can't get down? You got up there. Belle should come over and check this side out. I don't think there's no rats up there. So what we did, we made these two racks up high. We try to keep this cleaned out where the lawnmower goes, because rattlesnakes can get in there and hide behind pots. So we try to keep it clear. I found this one hanging up there, and I forgot about it, but I could put a celebrity tomato in there and grow it in the greenhouse, and I'll probably do that. That was a good find. For now, I just put this flower in it, and then I'll know where this planter will be. These long ones right here, I got some pawpaw seeds I'm trying to activate, and if I do, I can put the seeds in them. Didn't know this got busted. But, I mean, I could still make a planter out of that. That would work. Bill, he's been keeping a lot of his tools out here in the shed. And when he gets done with that, I can put more pots in here. And I do got a bunch of my little pots in here. And that comes in handy. What? What are you saying? What? You're a jabberbox. You're a jabberbox. Yeah, I think I need to throw a pot party. And not that kind of pot though. But anyway, this is my day one. There'll be more adventure of putting pots up later. That's a lot of work. So, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Got my helpers. Yep.